Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are here at Hostel Mumbai and we have a very special person with us, Alex Chacon.
So my name is Alex. I'm a YouTube travel vlogger. I drive motorcycles around the world and I produce really cool, cinematic, amazing videos and vlogs. Hey everyone, my name's Alex. I'm an ex-medical student who sold all his belongings in 2012 to travel around the world. 50 countries and the adventure continues.
ये एलेक्स चौकान है, ही ट्रैवल्स अ लॉट ऑफ प्लेसेस से हम इन्होंने 50 से ज़्यादा कंट्रीज ट्रैवल किया है, वो भी मोटरसाइकिल्स के ऊपर। और इनका पैशन ही है मोटरसाइकिल। ये पहले एक एक्स मेडिकल स्टूडेंट थे बट अभी एक मोटरसाइकिलिस्ट है। चेकआउट इस चैनल लिंक में डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा, वहाँ पे आप जाके चेकआउट कर सकते हो। और ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा कूल अच्छे वीडियोज़ बनाते हैं। सबसे ज़्यादा इनका फेमस वीडियो है वो ड्रोन सेल्फी है और एक सेल्फी स्टिक वाला सेल्फी है। बहुत ही ज़्यादा सही वीडियो बना है। ड्रोन सेल्फी हाउ मच इयर्स इट टुक? 3 years and that selfie stick one?
Drone 2 years, selfie 3.
Okay, that selfie stick was more awesome.
Yeah.
सेल्फी स्टिक वाला सेल्फी जाके चेकआउट कर सकते हो, लिंक में डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा। सबसे पहले हम लोग एक छोटा सा इंटरव्यू ले लेंगे, उसके बाद इनके गियर्स के बारे में बात करेंगे कि कौन सा गियर्स यूज़ करते हैं, कौन सा कैमरा यूज़ करते हैं, ये ब्लॉगिंग करने के लिए कौन सा गोप्रो बेस्ट रहेगा। So Alex, here's your first question. Favorite Indian food?
Favorite Indian food is a mix. I love tandoori chicken, garlic naan, and dal.
Okay, that's good.
That's my perfect Indian meal.
Second question. One best thing you like about India?
I definitely think that the culture and the people is what I connect with the most. And it's people like you guys, people who watch these types of videos, YouTubers, Instagrammers. People love watching social media, and I live on social media, so it's great. I love it.
Third one is little practical one. As you know, a lot of people in India are getting into traveling in motorcycles. What do you think which motorcycle is perfect for touring?
So the best motorcycle in my opinion is a motorcycle you already have, because for me it's not about the bike, it's about the adventure. I've taken scooters through the Saharas of Egypt, I've taken Royal Enfields all the way to Ladakh, I've taken giant BMW 1200s across the United States, and every adventure is different and it's great. So it's not about the bike, it's about the adventure.
Because in India, touring is a lot getting popular nowadays because of your video. People are getting inspired and they are taking out their motorcycles and going in adventures. So next one, traveling needs a lot of money. So how do you generate revenue for travel?
So when I first traveled in 2012, I had to sell everything I had. So that was my car, my TV, my clothes. I had to quit medical school and go on a trip around the world. Later on, I realized that YouTube pays for some views, and then I started selling licenses to the content I was producing. So some commercials for Android, Google, different companies now send me a lot of gear. So it's a combination of a few things.
Yes, but one complaint I have from YouTube, they pay really low.
Yeah, in India they pay so low. It's amazing. It's so bad.
They pay really low. For Indian creators, it is very difficult to make some good videos, then you get really low.
So tell me if I'm wrong, is it like per million views you only get like 6,000 rupees?
In 10,000 views?
1 million views.
1 million views, it's like 6,000 to 8,000 rupees. Sometimes 10,000 rupees.
That's crazy. In United States, so you know, 1 million views equates to about 60,000 rupees.
60,000 rupees?
Per million views.
Okay, next question. Are you married?
I am not married, because if I was married, I wouldn't be able to travel around the world. I even had trouble with my parents as well. Just like Indian parents, my Mexican parents are the same. They don't want you to travel, they want you to be a lawyer, a doctor, and it's very hard to do something like this.
Same here, Indian parents are a lot complicated.
If your mom doesn't like what you're doing, they get a shoe and they start hitting you and say, go back to school.
Same here in India. Okay, next one about your studies. What have you studied?
So I studied biomedical sciences and medicine. So I was going to become a doctor. So what I did is I finished my studies and then I started traveling around the world.
You studied fully about a doctor?
Yeah, I've completed a career.
Okay.
So I didn't start traveling until I was 23 years old.
When you started your travel?
When I started my main travels,
okay. Question is real theft one. Have you experienced any robbery and theft or any other incident in India?
So I've driven a motorcycle from Alaska, Argentina, all over India, all over Europe, North Africa, New Zealand, Australia, some of Asia, and the only place in the world where somebody tried to rob me was in Paris, France.
Paris.
So Central America, the corruption, Asia, everything, nothing but in the streets of Paris. They did not succeed because I was much faster than they were.
In motorcycle?
No, just walking with a backpack.
Okay.
So,
Not anything in India?
nothing in India, no.
Not
People
yet.
have always been very nice.
Yeah, people are good in India, but sometimes they try to rob you.
Correct.
In like, if you go at Agra Taj Mahal, they try to cheat you and all.
Of course. I mean, it's a typical tourist traps.
Yes.
Yeah.
Which is your favorite country?
India. Yes, that's a great answer, right?
Yeah.
No, I really do love India, but I think every country gives me something different.
Yeah,
But-
in India, people really love you a lot.
but I love India so much as well. You guys were the reason that I started really YouTubing a lot.
It's the 5th time in India?
This is my sixth time in India,
Sixth
which tells you how much I love India. It's the only country I've been to 6 times.
6 times.
All of the countries once or twice, that's it.
Which is your favorite vlogging country?
Vlogging country, let's see. I think for vlogging,
Means you have a lot of reactions.
India is one of the main ones because everybody loves being on camera here. Everybody loves selfies.
Yes, if you take out your vlogging setup, then people are like,
Super friendly, and what's more important is that they're very open to the idea of being filmed. Because
Yes.
when I go to countries like Peru or Bolivia and places where there's a lot of indigenous people, they don't like to be captured on camera, so they hide.
yes. What this person is doing with this camera? Is he a reporter?
Exactly. It's like he must be famous. So
Yeah.
they take selfies with you, and it's like the most welcoming country for videos for sure.
Now we will jump on to his gear section. क्या क्या gears लेके travel करते हैं? Vlogging gears, riding gear. Which camera do you use for vlogging?
So I use a few different ones. This is my first one. It's a giant Sony A7R2. Has a boom mic on there and it has a wide angle lens. I also use, when I'm lazy and I don't have room on the motorcycle, a Sony RX100, and I always carry a GoPro. Not about the camera, it's about the story.
Yeah, that's
Because
amazing.
I film all my views for my YouTube videos, the ones that have the most views are from a GoPro HD2.
Camera is not important. Content is your main guru.
Well, in India it's a little different, we were talking about. So clickbait in India works really well from what I was saying.
Which action camera do you use?
I always have a GoPro, and I have GoPro 4, 5, and a 6 is what I'm using now, which is great because the stabilization's the best.
Which one is the best? 4, 5 or 6?
When I'm recording my voice, the 4, because I can put a
Yeah,
a
but in
Cia-
India, people a lot like 4.1 because of its motovlogging. Like
Yeah.
you can record easily video.
Much easier, yeah. But the GoPro 6 has much better stabilization.
Which jacket do you use?
I don't have a favorite jacket, but I always like to go with a jacket that's not too expensive and not too cheap. So I usually like Alpine Star stuff. It's about medium range.
And a lightweight or one or a heavyweight?
It depends. If when I go to when I was in Iceland, I had a really heavy one because it was very cold.
Yeah, it's very cold.
When you drive through India, I was driving in the long sleeve t-shirt, very thin, because it's just too hot to have a jacket.
You can. Which riding boots do you wear?
So I actually don't wear riding boots. I wear hiking boots because when I travel on the motorcycle, it's not about the motorcycle adventure so much than it is a travel adventure. So I'm always hiking, I'm going up mountains, I want to be comfortable. So hiking shoes are great for me.
Same thing here. I don't like riding boots because they are really uncomfortable.
Basically, when you get somewhere, you have to take them off.
Yeah.
You know, when
you cannot walk with them.
Yeah.
You can only ride with them.
Correct.
That's the main problem. That's why I'm also not using that riding boots. And I have a riding jacket,
Yeah.
pant. I'm not taking any boots. I just take a normal ones so that I am really comfortable with that. Which drone you like the most and which drone do you own?
Hard question. The drone I love the most is the Phantom 4 Pro because of the quality.
Okay, that big one.
It's huge, very impractical to travel with.
Yes.
So the one I usually travel with is either a Mavic Pro or now I'm traveling with a Mavic Air. which
Mavic
is
Air, that new one.
much easier to travel with.
But that big one has a lot of good quality features.
When I drive the motorcycle, not only do I fly the drone, but I'm driving the motorcycle and flying the drone at the same time. The Mavic Air can't keep up with the speed of a motorcycle and it's not as stable. So the Phantom Pro keeps up everywhere.
and also he is a good drone pilot also.
Oh, thank you.
The best pilot in the world.
Anyway, thank you. That's very kind of you to say.
Yes. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो ये सारे डिटेल्स है मीटअप के एलेक्स चैकॉन का। जो मीटअप है वो है हॉस्टल में और वो है 23 जून को। 23 जून को मीटअप है और वो भी सैटरडे को 7 PM को। और एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन फॉलो हिम ऑन इंस्टाग्राम आईडी है एलेक्स चैकॉन ऑफिशियल। यू कैन चेक दिस आउट। ऑल्सो यू कैन फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम। माई इंस्टाग्राम आईडी इज सूरज झंपा 66। आपको अभी तक तो पता चल ही गया होगा कि आपको कौन सा इक्विपमेंट यूज़ करना है राइड के लिए, ग्लव्स कौन सा यूज़ करना है, मोटरसाइकिल कौन सा यूज़ करना, कहाँ से आपको कैसा रेवेन्यू जनरेट कर रहा है और एलेक्स कैसे रेवेन्यू जनरेट करते हैं। आई विल बी एंडिंग अप माय वीडियो हियर। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो गाइस। होप यू गाइस सीन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो एंड डू वॉच लव टिल देन स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड डू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब हिज चैनल टू। लिंक इज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन। यू कैन गो एंड चेक इट आउट। बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा कॉन्टेंट बनाते हैं ये।